I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power. Plug the case into a known good wall adapter and cable. Once connected, check the charging light. If absent, clean the lightning port and contact pads with 70% isopropyl and a soft brush because grime blocks current. Make sure the Airpods sit flush in the case. Then perform a quick reset. Close the lid for 10 seconds, open it, and observe the LED. This confirms basic hardware and connection before deeper steps. Next, you force a firmware re-establish. Forget the Airpods and Bluetooth settings to clear pairing data. This removes software hangups. Then press and hold the case setup button for about 15 seconds until amber then white flashes. This triggers a factory reset which resolves charging negotiation bugs. After reconnecting, watch battery percentages in Settings Bluetooth to confirm both Airpods and case report charge. If percentages appear but still won't charge, you now have diagnostic info to proceed. Finally, isolate the fault. If the case charges but the Airpods don't, reseat each bud and wiggle slightly while charging to ensure contact. Corrosion or a bent contact often causes intermittent charging. If the case itself doesn't charge, swap the cable, adapter, or try a wireless pad to eliminate accessories. If none of this works, contact authorized service. Make sure you have the serial number and purchase proof. Troubleshooting tip: if LED behavior is abnormal, document it for support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.